South Sound 911 is rocked by COVID-19. The emergency call center stated that 15 employees recently tested positive for the virus, with the first popping up in late July. While services weren't disrupted, the outbreak has put other first responders on notice. So what would happen if 15 firefighters caught COVID and had to go into quarantine?
That would impact our department hugely. Right now, we've got 9 career firefighters on shift at once. So it would completely wipe out a shift and we would need to backfill with other shifts, but that would tax us greatly.
First responders throughout Pierce County say following the health department's guidelines when it comes to keeping COVID at bay isn't up for debate, because it's not just about their own safety, but the community they serve.
Even though we are a fire department, most of our calls are medical calls.
And even a small outbreak can leave the county vulnerable.
One of the things that can be scary about this is not the fact that people are just getting sick, but if we have a high number of people or all the people on a similar shift who are working together get sick, that's a huge problem for the community if we have to take 6 of our 8 deputies out of service for one district.
But despite the strain from a potential outbreak, first responders assure residents that they wouldn't be stranded.
We would never leave the county empty or run short with not enough people to work in the field. And if it came to it, I would put my uniform on and go right back to work as well.
Now, since the outbreak, South Sound 911 says they are now requiring employees to provide proof of vaccination. They also added that around half of the affected employees are back at work and more are expected by early next week. From Tacoma, Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.